In this video, I am going to deal with the last operator, that is the special operators in C. So what are these special operators in C? There are certain operators which perform the special functions, that is nothing but the special operators in C. Some of the operators such as the first one is that is ampersand. What do you mean by this ampersand and what does it perform? This is used to get the address of the variable. While dealing with an pointer variable, we will come across this ampersand symbol. That is nothing but in order to get the address of the variable. For every variable, when it is stored some value or it will be having the certain location, that is nothing but the address. If we want to get the address of a variable, we will go for an ampersand symbol. Suppose if we want the get address of an a, then we will use the ampersand a, which will give the address of a. Hope you understand this ampersand operator, which is a special operator. And the second one is that it is a star. We will call it as a pointer, and this is used as a pointer to a variable. I will explain you detail while coming to the pointer section. That time you will come to know what do you mean by these special operators. So as of now, there is a star a means where star is a pointer to a variable. The pointer is nothing but it which holds the address of another variable. Okay, the star is a pointer to the variable a. If we denote like this, it will nothing but it is a pointer to the variable a. This is another special operator that we are going to use in C. And the third one is that is a size of. Suppose we want to know the size of a variable, then we will use this size of operator. This gives the size of the variable. For example, if you want to know the size of the char which holds the size has a 1 byte, so it will give us the answer as a 1. Same way we can check it for the int, double, float, so it will give the respective size according to the data type. So the size of is nothing but it will give the size of the variable, which is one of the special operator we are going to deal in a C. And the next one is that is a ternary operator. As I told you before, that is a conditional operator is also called as a ternary operator, which is nothing but it exactly act as a if else statements. How I explained you that is if the condition there is some condition, if that condition is a true, the true statement will get executed, or else false statement will get executed. That is nothing but the ternary operator, which is also called as a conditional operators. And the next one is that is a typecast operator. Suppose if you want to convert one data type to the another data type while dealing in a program, then that time we can use a typecast program. That is a typecast is a concept of modifying the variable from one data type to other data type. Suppose if you want to convert from the int to float, you can do it by using the typecast. But we cannot convert from float to int, but we can convert from the int to float, that is by using the typecast operators. So the typecast is a concept of modifying the variable from one data type to the other. So these are the special operators which we are used in C, that is a ampersand for to get the address of the variable. This is called as a pointer, which used as a pointer to a variable. And this is size of. In order to get the size of the variable, ternary, which is also called as a conditional operator, where the true statement will get executed if the condition is true, or else it will execute the false statement. And the last one is that is a typecast, in order to modifying the variable from one type data type to other. Hope you understand these special operators clearly. I have explained you all the types of operators, that is arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operators, logical operators, special operators, increment and decrement operators. Hope you understand these operators very well. Okay, I will come to the next, that is a decision and the looping in a next video. Until then, bye. Have a nice time.